स्वच्छता की बात कर रहे हैं, तो उस पे कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
स्वच्छता ये वेरी बेटर.
वेरी बेटर.
Which means everything is okay.
Green.
You are happy with this?
This.
Responsible this type people.
I have complained so many.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Save him!
या गाय है, छोटा जानवर है, जो भी आप जानवर पालते हैं या पेट्स रखते हैं तो आप उनकी केयर करिए बिल्कुल अपने बच्चों के तरीके. सिर्फ माँ कहने से कोई माँ नहीं होता है.
Very nice. Clap for him.
Drainage system of our India.
Oh my God!
System of our India. What government are doing? What government are doing?
And so this.
जल बचाए जीवन बचाए.
Hi, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Adab. Just I have come here at Kapurthala Chowraha. Why? People are making dirtiness here in our India. We are talking about green India, clean India. But we can just show you something. We have each and everything to show you. People are living in this India. You can see the live example. He is a drinker. He is a drinker. You can see there are thousands of the cases. People are drinking and people are just smoking. People are throwing like this. Cameraman, show here. Not only this, people are just spitting on the road. People are just, you can see, here you can see that these are ground of the labor. People are fighting. People are fighting only for these all the things. Sir, what were you doing? What were you doing? You can tell them.
Sir, he said this garbage spread by
has
you, but
thrown?
I don't spread this, sir.
Sir, we have camera.
You can check, sir.
We can check.
I
People
can't,
have-
sir. I can't, sir.
Sir, what are you drinking? What is this? What are you drinking? What is this?
Sir, this is my.
Sir, this is alcohol. You
This
can see.
is,
Sir, this
is
is
daru, or I love this daru. I love this daru, sir. Very much good, sir.
Sir,
I feel
sir,
comfortable,
sir,
sir.
sir,
I
sir,
feel
first of all,
comfortable, sir.
Oh my God,
I feel
first of all-
comfortable, sir. Sir, I feel comfortable.
You can see in this India, people are living like this. People, they don't have any people. Sir.
Oh, polythene is not.
Yes, sir. What do you want to say?
We should also think what's the government doing right now, so you can say that there are the diapers.
Diaper. Sir, come here. Come here.
I want.
Yes, Mr. Fakir, what do you want to show here? No, just wait, one by one. See, people are showing. People are throwing the diaper and pampers. People are living there and people are throwing on the road.
I want to say something, sir. Like you can see the wire in India, sir.
Oh my God, completely open the wire.
There is no any system in India, sir. We are our youth, and sir, we are faces lots of problem. Sir, like the road, there are lots of deforestation are having in India, sir. Why? Only because of making a road. Sir, you are
Condition is very bad.
yes, the condition of Lucknow, sir, it is a city because sir, population never follow the rules and regulation which government made. Sir, we are government made like Green India, Clean India. But
What is happening bad in this city?
Sir, they are split on the road. Sir, they are doing
Where
only
can you
split.
show anywhere?
Yes,
Where
sir,
is that?
everywhere, sir.
Where can you show that?
This, sir, like this.
Oh my God! People are spitting. People are throwing. People are spitting. Oh my! What is happening in my ear? Oh my goodness!
Look,
Sir,
This ganda.
Sir,
Is this India?
oh my God! They are living on the road, just like animal. They are spitting. They are just throwing. They are. See the live example. People are drinking and people are spitting.
Lots of dirty waters are available on road. You can see
Dirty water. People are drinking and they are washing.
they are washing and throwing on roads, putting on roads. Yes, sir.
Where, sir? Where? Are you blaming on?
People are watching her car and doing.
Sir, what do you want to say? Four-wheeler? Cameraman, come here.
Cameraman.
Oh my God.
Who is parking this?
Oh my God. People are driving, people are traveling, people are living, people are spitting on the car.
वांट टू से अभी जो मार्केट में जो जानवर जो घूमते हैं
हाँ,
सबसे ज्यादा गंदगी उनसे होती है.
Oh my God. Animals.
लाइक एनिमल्स.
हाँ.
हम लोग गाय को माता कहते हैं,
बिल्कुल कहते हैं.
लेकिन उनको पूजते भी हैं और लेकिन क्या करते हैं उनको ऐसे ही छोड़ देते हैं.
हाँ, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
तो गाय को अगर माँ मानते हैं तो प्लीज़ केयर ऑफ हर एंड यही है कि आप उनका सिर्फ यूज़ मत करिए,
एग्जैक्टली। हाँ हाँ,
क्योंकि
बिल्कुल सही कह रहे
आप
हैं
जब उसको सड़कों पे छोड़ देते हैं तो नगर निगम इतना भी खाली नहीं है कि 24 घंटे गाय का गोबर उठाते फिरे। नगर निगम के पास जो एम्प्लाई है वो 2 बार 3 बार दिन में सफाई करते हैं, बट क्या होता है कि वो सफाई करके गए, उसके बाद गाय गंदगी कर देती है। या गाय है, छुट्टा जानवर है, जो भी आप जानवर पालते हैं या पेट्स रखते हैं तो आप उनकी केयर करिए बिल्कुल अपने बच्चों के तरीके से। सिर्फ माँ कहने से कोई माँ नहीं होता है।
वेरी नाइस, क्लैप फॉर हिम। very good message by sir. He has said that कहते हैं गाय हमारी माता है, लेकिन उनको तो बस छोड़ दिए हैं, कौन कहाँ जा रहा है, कौन कैसी गंदगी मचा रहा है, कौन खा रहा है। So we have to care of them. Government is caring, but we are not caring actually.
कि कूड़े की सफाई हर कोई कर लेता है। मोस्टली हम लोग जागरूक हो चुके हैं, हमारा देश विकासशील देश है और हम लोग गंदगी को क्या डस्टबिन भी यूज कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी पेट्स के बारे में कोई नहीं सोच रहा है।
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। Alright sir, we are talking about green India. Sorry.
I said to you, Mr. Chief Minister जो है like हिंदू राष्ट्र।
Exactly. Oh,
और
okay.
English is not like.
Okay.
Yes yes.
No, यहाँ पे हम लोग ग्रीन इंडिया, नीट इंडिया की बात कर रहे हैं, स्वच्छता की बात कर रहे हैं। सो उस पे कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
Would you like to say anything about Green India?
स्वच्छता is very better.
Very better? Okay.
In my
So
India.
this city is neat and clean or not?
नहीं
What do you
yes
think
yes.
about it? Like,
Clean
this is clean or not?
clean
It is
yes.
clean?
Oh,
It means everything is okay.
Okay. Clean.
You are happy with this?
This.
You are happy?
Neat and clean. I am happy.
You are happy?
Alright, okay, no problem.
You want it or it is already? पहले से ही या चाहते हैं आप?
नहीं ऑलरेडी
है?
नहीं फ्यूचर में भी
सर क्या है? सर आप खुद ही देखें, लोग थूक रहे हैं और आप कह रहे हैं साफ है। सर आप खुद ही देखें, पीपल खा के थूक रहे हैं, पीपल कूड़े फेंक रहे हैं और आप कह रहे हैं सब कुछ ठीक है।
नहीं आई एम जस्ट लाइक
You dislike this, na? So it should not be like this here. Okay. By the way.
This type of activity is very bad.
All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Sir, do you see what is the condition of the
Sir, condition you can see completely it is opened. People are living. There are many children. They are playing. They are living. You can see someone may fall on this gutter, in this gutter, and they can destroy.
Sir, because of this dirtiness, the people get sick. Malaria, yes, malaria, typhoid.
Exactly.
Because it's through we can't blame anyone. It's happened with we. First of all, we should change ourselves. First of all, we should our change.
But this responsibility for Nagar Nigam. They does not provide any type of facility.
Nagar Nigam is not going to work in your home.
No, sir, how can you say Nagar Nigam? It's responsibility for Nagar Nigam. And look there, look there. And whose responsibility it?
Sir, this is your home. For example, you should care of this. Why are you not?
But sir, we are giving our tax. Why we are cleaning this? But why
Sir,
we are killing this? What about Nagar?
Nagar Nigam is not going to see each and everything. For example, if you have any problem, you can go and complain there. They are going to work. Sir, I think you are careless.
Sir, I complained so many times. They did not action our work, and they are violated so many times in our home.
Have you complained about it?
Yes, sir, I have completed. I have complained so many.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Save him! Save him! Save him!
Sir, they are falling on the gutter because of Nagar Nigam. Because of
Nagar
Nagar
people
Nigam.
are just falling in the gutter.
In the gutter. Because of Nagar Nigam, sir. Nagar Nigam does not provide of anything, but our government provides so many things. But if you talk about our Nagar Nigam, look there. And another thing is,
Sir, where are you sleeping? Where are you sleeping? I am not sleeping, sir. Why are you going into gutter? No, I am not going gutter.
Sir, this is a
Sir, you are looking this wire.
Sir, another point is that, another point is that, sir, alcohol should be banned because in our society, the person taking alcohol.
Don't touch my. Why are you just holding my hand? No problem. Yes, go ahead.
Sir, because of alcohol should be banned because the person are taking alcohol and they are defeating his wife. They are defeating his parents. Yes, sir, they are defeating his parents because of alcohol, sir.
I'm bigger defer to him, sir. I'm
I'm not supporting to him, sir, because sir, we are youth of India, sir. We should to kill it, sir. We should
Exactly,
yes,
yes.
sir.
Sir,
Our Nagar Nigam, sir. Nagar Nigam responsibility, sir.
Sir, every doesn't Nagar Nigam can't do everything, sir. We should do,
I
sir.
think,
We
sir,
should
you
do
don't
clear,
have
sir.
knowledge,
Yes,
sir. You
We
should
are
not
living in
have
India.
history.
We
You
are
should not
living in
have
India, sir.
history.
I have pay lots of tax. Why government? Why government?
Exactly, guy. Mr. Samir, we are also paying.
We are paying lots of
Yes, Mahila.
सर हम लोग बोलते हैं जल ही जीवन है. The area of water is also polluted. I can show them. Come.
Oh, don't go. You want to show here?
Is this a drainage system of our India?
Oh my God.
System of our India. What government are doing? What government are doing?
And so this.
जल बचाए जीवन बचाए.
Ma'am, where is water?
responsible this type people. Responsible this type people.
Just focus. जल ही जीवन. Where is jal? Where is this jal?
What is this? What is this?
From where? From listen. Listen. Is this dustbin? Is this dustbin? It is from where we get water. From where we get water, but we don't have any water. And this
But ma'am, you can see, ma'am.
area became dustbin area.
Ma'am, dustbin is putting, but we are careless people. We are throwing here and there.
No, sir.
But this is not my fault.
Ma'am, who is putting here?
Sir, water is not available. This is not my fault, sir. This is not my fault. This is government fault, sir. This is Nagar Nigam fault. Yes, sir. This is not my fault, sir. Water is not available. Yes,
Sir.
this is not my fault. This is one beggar came here and throw this.
Sir, who is throwing it, sir? We are throwing it.
Exactly, yes. There is no water, but on the road you can see the water is available.
And our government published Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, but it is not succeed. The government careless. The government careless on the water. And you can see there Shuddha Pay Sital Jal, but there is no Shuddha Pay Jal. I mean, there is gutter.
Sir, what are you doing?
Sir, government said हर घर जल योजना. Is this हर घर जल योजना? यहाँ कोई पानी वानी नहीं है, sir.
Yes.
Is this?
There is no any water,
Sir,
sir.
I want to neat and clean India because this global warming, because of deforestation, global warming is increasing day by day. Day by day, glacier has dissolved, and we are now. Sometime later, we have muhtaj of clean water. We don't have water.
All right, guys, I think.
Sir, clean water is my right.
don't
It's my
hold my
sir.
guy.
Sorry, sir. Clean water is my right. It's my अधिकार. हम नहीं किसी से हम मांगते हैं अधिकार अपना, नहीं किसी से भीख मांगते हैं.
Wow, very nice, very nice. All right, guys, people are protesting here. People are just demanding neat India, clean India, and water. There is no availability in our city, water. But water is flowing on the road. What is happening in our city, in our country? I think government is going to care after watching this video.
Sir, I want to say something that everyone is demanding for our fundamental rights, but they are not. But they don't know our responsibilities. Our responsibilities. When you have right to get your fundamental rights, when you have rights, then just show your responsibilities. Also, it is not all the government fault. It is our fault also. So just serve your country, make your India clean by your responsibility. That's it.
Very nice. Very nice. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Gonna see you till then. Take care. Bye. Have a nice day.